Welcome back to another Joyride video. So we're gonna give you guys one of the most requested videos. Hey, did I sit on your foot?
Yeah.
Most requested videos, Laura's life story. That would be a cool video though, right? I think it would be an awesome video. We're gonna give you guys something a little bit different, something that I normally don't do, and that's, I don't really do too many camera reviews, product reviews, stuff like that. I was sent this camera. I'm just gonna give you guys an honest review. If you hear that noise in the background, that's my little ones. I was sent this camera to do a review on it. It kind of reminds me of, I don't know if I'm allowed to say it in this video, but the GoPro. It's called an AKASO, I don't know if I say that right, Brave 6 Plus. It's an action camera. Anybody that knows me, I'm probably way too honest. I'd be an entertaining review. Say I'm good at reviewing stuff?
Yeah.
I'm pretty honest. You got that, bud?
I put in the drill battery.
You guys haven't seen that video. We rigged up his power wheels to run off the drill battery. So now these little guys are just so obsessed with drill batteries. Oh, look at that. It's pretty sweet. It actually looks, I think it looks pretty sweet.
Whoa.
It's super light too. Like,
I've never heard of this brand.
I mean, I've never heard of it either. I mean, there's so many camera companies out there now. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see what it's like. I think super. Let's see what you get with it. What you get. Okay. Oh, that's sweet. 2 batteries. I'm already opening up pack number 2. Battery charger. What is this? Oh, cool. Okay. This looks like it's like a little wrist thing. You can put on your wrist and you can hit record and stop. We're opening these out of order. Packet number 1. Ooh, harness bar mount. I always needed another one of those. Ooh, tripod. I don't know how much this camera is. I'll put it, so that's not bad. 119 to 139. And anybody that has bought this for GoPro, ooh, that's pretty cool too. And then there's a 3rd bag. Zip tie, charger cord, and a little cleaning cloth. Here's the camera. Looks pretty simple, just like your GoPro would have. I'm not very good at like filming stuff with the kids because they like distract me so much. And it even has a screen on the back, which is pretty sweet. It was kind of cool that they sent me this because I was actually in the market to buy an action camera. I don't know how good this is. I don't know how good it's going to record, but we're going to find out in this video.
Your Bewitched shirt looks good too.
Okay, that's your micro USB, and you've got the speaker there, camera lens, which we're going to pull off this little plastic. So there's where the battery goes. Slide up. Pretty neat. Put your SD card in there, micro SD. And oh, sweet. Please format SD card. Oh, that's even cool. It says enjoy your sports Camaro. So that's pretty cool. It's kind of cool because it's like all touchscreen for 119 bucks so far. I'm not hating on this thing. It's pretty sweet. Next scene will be with this camera. All right, so here it is. And I guess I was using this little remote wrong. So the top is to take photo and this is to record, and then push it again and it stops recording. I just basically pulled the camera out of the box, put an SD card in it, and we're rolling with it. This is basically just how it comes out of the box. I'm gonna just take the car for a ride up the road, just kind of give everybody like a point of view drive. So it's gonna be like they're actually driving the car. What do you think? Just roll these windows down. Anybody that knows this car knows how extremely loud this thing is. So this car is gonna be the ultimate test for the audio on this action camera. But so far, it's kind of cool, all the features and everything on it. I like it so far. I haven't seen any of the footage yet. I just wanted to get that out before I start the car, just in case you can't hear anything else I say. Woo! She's healthy. And it's about 8 o'clock, so it is getting a little dark. It's not very bright outside. We're gonna just take the yard. Like the camera keeps hitting the top, so she's kind of cold right now. Kind of let her warm up a little bit. One of the best parts about this camera has to be the price. You can get this camera for 119 bucks. Essentially, you could buy 3 of these for the price of 1 GoPro. And if you're like me, 3 of these, getting all these extra angles. You guys watch the videos, you know how I am about my B-roll. She's still a little cold. I basically just strapped the camera to my head. I don't know how good it's looking. Once she warms up, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a pull. If I let off the gas, that's what I'm gonna try to do, let off the gas, then talk. Because if I try to talk while I'm giving it gas, I don't know how well you can hear me. See how my steering wheel's a little bit off? And if this video turns out cool and you guys like this style of video, we might have to give you guys more of them. Oh, they want to race? Don't worry, we'll definitely get a pull in for you guys. And it's about to start getting dark, so you guys, I guess, get to see how it does in low light. Man, she sounds so good. Can't see it, but I got a smile on my face. Car really needs a tune because when you get on it, it breaks up a lot up top. You'll see when I get on it. Turn these lights on, give her a little bit under the bridge. There we go. Woo! She definitely needs an alignment. The steering wheel needs straight, and she needs a few things, and she's not perfect. If you guys caught the video where I went over like a bunch of the issues where we replaced the rear axle seals, we put the seals that go inside the shaft, they're leaking again, so we're gonna have to replace those as well again. Dang, this is where I was gonna do my pull, but I don't know what these guys are doing. Do like a little hit right here, and then this thing's got line lock. That's this. So if I'm on the brake right here and I hit the line lock, the car just sits there, but it doesn't have enough to hold it. But we're gonna. You hear the popping up top? That's what I was talking about. But she freaking feels good. She is so torquey. She's not like the GT500, but this thing hooks. And when she hooks, she goes. But when she gets going, when she starts getting up at the top end, she kind of falls on her face. Well, she doesn't really fall on her face. She just doesn't have the same pull that the GT500 has up top. But that's not bad. See, this car is complete opposite of the GT500. It gets too much grip. I can't even really do a burnout. We'll try it. Let's just try it real quick. I'm gonna just hold the line lock. And I'm just gonna floor it and just see if I can get it to do a burnout. I think she did. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go pull her in the garage before my neighbors get pissed off at me. Alright. Woo! If this thing doesn't put a smile on your face, I don't know what to tell you. There you have it, a little point of view joyride behind the wheel of the 68 Camaro. Let me know what you guys think of this style video, if it's something you like. Maybe we could do some more of them. I don't know, you tell me, comment below, let me know what you think. We're gonna hop inside, get on the computer, check this footage out, and then we'll give you guys an update. Overall thoughts on this camera, surprisingly, I actually like it. There's only a few things, a couple things I can think of that I would change or fix. I think it's a AKASO, I don't know. AKASO. AKASO. All right, first thing that I noticed that I would probably fix or change with this remote, when I had the camera on my head, I couldn't tell if it was recording or not recording because there are light indicators on this. It doesn't flash or anything or show you if it's recording. So if there was a way to identify if the camera's recording, like if it was like a consistent flash while it was recording, so you'd know. If you have the camera on the outside of the car and you hit the record button to record, and then when you want to stop your recording, for an example, like me, you know how I am. I'm bad with stuff. I'm like, hold up, did I hit the record button? I'm always saying that.
All the time.
Did I hit the record button? And then the other thing is with the waterproof case, if it had like a skeleton back on there so that you could actually touch the screen and use that. But it does have a, don't have kids. But I'm just kidding. Kids are super fun. They're lots of fun. You guys should all try.
Over the
age of 13, just give it a shot. Don't listen to anything I say. Yeah, so it has another skeleton case, or another case like this one right here. This is the one that I had right here. I guess my overall thoughts on this, if anybody's in the market to buy an action camera, because I know a lot of people go out and they spend a lot of money on GoPros, $300, $400, and they use them like once or twice.
I'll be honest with you, I'm thinking about picking up one.
120 bucks, you cannot beat it. What's cool about this too is if you have a GoPro or any of the other types of cameras like this, all the mounts and all the stuff, they're universal. This would definitely be a great camera. Or, I mean, depending on if you guys are doing automotive videos, I don't know what you guys do, like if you're doing like those home type videos. Talking about that?
Yeah, remember?
Whatever you guys want to do.
Do they have the chest? We have it mounted like right here on your chest. Yeah, that's getting edited out.
The video that you guys just watched, I wanted to try the little head cam thing. I've seen a lot of people using that on YouTube and stuff like that. And it kind of looks cool because it gives you that point of view. To me, I felt it was just too shaky. It was just all over the place. This thing does have auto stabilization, which I did not have that active. You're constantly moving your head, so that camera is just like all over the place. I mean, that has nothing to do with the quality of the camera. That was just me.
He's new at it.
Yeah, I'm still learning. I'm still new at this, so if you guys want, hit that subscribe button and join me for this journey and trying to grow my YouTube channel. I think we're gonna make it. The like button, show the videos and the channel some support. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.